To the mom who is screaming inside right now, take a deep breath, drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and just breathe for a moment. You aren't a bad parent. You are a dysregulated human being. And today, we are releasing the guilt. We scroll through social media and see perfectly calm parents, spotless homes, and toddlers who seem to listen every single time. And then, we look at our own chaotic days, and the guilt creeps in. We ask ourselves, why can't I stay calm 100% of the time? But here is the truth that will set you free. Gentle parenting does not mean being perfect. It doesn't mean you never get angry, frustrated, or overwhelmed. You are human. Your nervous system has a limit. And raising a toddler stretches that limit every single day. Gentle parenting isn't about the absence of anger. It's about what you do after the anger. It's about the repair. When the noise gets too loud, and you find yourself losing your temper. Your toddler's world can feel a little shaky, but you have the power to fix it. When the storm passes, get down on their eye level. Hold their tiny hand. First, own the emotion. Mommy's voice was too loud just now, and I am so sorry. Second, validate their safety. It is my job to keep you safe, and it's okay if you felt scared or sad when I raised my voice. And third, show them the solution next time I feel frustrated. I am going to take a big, deep breath instead. By doing this, you aren't teaching your child that you are a perfect robot. You are teaching them something much better: how a loving human takes responsibility and repairs a relationship. But remember to pour into your toddler's cup. Yours cannot be empty. Today, your only assignment is to forgive yourself. Let the dishes sit in the sink. Let the toys stay on the floor. Pour yourself something warm to drink. Look at your sweet baby and remind yourself, you are exactly the parent they need. If your heart needs to hear this today, please subscribe to join our gentle parenting. You are never alone on this journey. See you in the next video.